Cleaning up and revitalizing land across the country and returning it to local communities is a key part of EPA's mission to protect human health and the environment. The Superfund Program is one of EPA's core programs, which manages the cleanup of the nation's worst hazardous waste sites.
The state, in cooperation with EPA and oftentimes consultants that we bring on board, do review the plans and specifications for the design as well as the remedial action work plans to ensure that they are safe.
EPA has worked with us hand in hand, and most of the work was done by our city engineer. He has direct communications with them, and it was really a partnership between the federal government, the state, the city, and the private development, as well as Duke Energy, and all those things kind of came together, so just really trying to expedite permitting and a lot of the paperwork that goes on behind the scenes. The EPA was very helpful in that.
The Superfund Task Force was set up in May 2017 to refocus and revitalize the Superfund program. The goal was to help ensure the cleanup efforts operate effectively and efficiently so that more sites can be cleaned up and returned to communities. In its first year, the task force has addressed barriers that delay the cleanup and redevelopment of contaminated sites. Some of the first-year accomplishments include identifying and addressing liability concerns to speed up developer investments, promoting redevelopment and community revitalization through guidance and technical assistance on site reuse, and engaging partners and stakeholders through improved risk communication and long-term stewardship. The Superfund Task Force also oversaw the creation of a new online human exposure dashboard that provides real-time information on Superfund sites, deleted or partially deleted 9 sites from the National Priorities List, and identified cleanup sites where the administrator's involvement would spur quick and comprehensive action. With these accomplishments and the continued work through September 2019, the task force will streamline the cleanup process so that more sites can be returned to communities.
The biggest thing that this successful cleanup represents, and successful cleanup and redevelopment underway, is opportunity. We have opportunities now that we didn't have before.
The color around here now is so much different. If you drive up on some of the higher elevations on our golf course, it's just green as far as you can see. And compared to, the browns and the grays and the haze in the air, it's just really a different environment.
EPA's Superfund Task Force will continue to refocus and revitalize the Superfund program and engage states, local communities, tribes, and other stakeholders at all levels to continue the environmental and economic restoration work happening across America.